Thank you Venezuelan customers for choosing to purchase our EA640F2 GOB version indoor LED display. The entire screen is composed of 108 EA640F2s, which brings a clear and shocking visual experience, and is particularly suitable for fixed installation in large indoor places. EA640F2 adopts a front-mounted design. Whether it is the LED module, power supply, or receiving card, it can be easily maintained from the front, which greatly facilitates daily maintenance and management work. EA640F2 not only performs well in picture quality, but also has the protection advantage of GOB glue on board technology, which increases the durability and moisture resistance of the screen, and is very suitable for projects with high requirements for display effects and stability. Thank you Venezuelan customers for their trust and support for our products. We look forward to more cooperation opportunities in the future to provide you with better LED display solutions.